Good morning and welcome to day 3 of our Hour of Code Week. Today we are going to be doing some activities to learn about artificial intelligence. Maybe you've heard of that before, or maybe you haven't, but you've probably used it and maybe didn't even know that you were using it. If you've ever done an internet search or used Alexa or Siri, you have used artificial intelligence. We're going to start first by watching a quick video that will teach us a little bit more about artificial intelligence and machine learning, and then we will introduce you to the activity you're going to do today.
My name is Ale Flores, and I'm a product manager at Alexa.
My name is Dr. Chelsea Haupt. I work at the Allen Institute for Artificial Intelligence, and I work on an AI-powered academic search engine. All around you, computers are making decisions, and those decisions affect your daily life. When you do an internet search or scroll through your newsfeed, computers decide what you see. Computers can already recognize your face and understand your voice. And soon they'll be driving cars and detecting diseases even better than humans. So how is any of this possible?
You may have heard about something called AI, or artificial intelligence. True artificial intelligence is decades away. There's a type of AI called machine learning that is here today. It's a type of AI you probably interact with every day without even knowing it. And it has the opportunity to help us tackle some of the world's biggest challenges.
Machine learning is how computers recognize patterns and make decisions without being explicitly programmed. What's so exciting is that it's a completely different way to program a computer than what we've ever done before. With machine learning, instead of programming a computer step by step, you can program a computer to learn just like you learn, through trial and error and lots of practice.
Learning comes from experience, and that's true for machine learning too. In this case, experience means lots and lots of data. Machine learning can take in any kind of data, images, video, audio, or text, and begin to recognize patterns in that data. Once it learns to recognize patterns in the data, it can also learn to make predictions based on those patterns, like noticing the difference between an image of a car and an image of a bicycle.
AI and machine learning are playing a bigger and bigger role in society at large and shaping all of our futures. That's why it's so important to learn how it works with some hands-on experience. You're about to get the chance to train your own machine learning model. Remember, AI is like any tool. First you get the knowledge, then you get the power.
When you click on the link that I gave you in Seesaw, it will bring you to the AI for Oceans activity that we are going to be completing today. So it will bring you here. You'll see the video that I just showed you, and you can press continue. All right, it says garbage dumped in the water affects marine life. In this activity, you will program or train AI, artificial intelligence, to identify fish or trash. Let's clean up the ocean. Click anywhere on the screen to continue. Let's meet AI. AI does not know if an object is a fish or trash, but it can process images and identify patterns. To program AI, use the buttons to label an image as fish or not fish. The training you provide will teach AI to recognize patterns on its own. Let's get started. Is this a fish? Yes. Not fish. Not fish. Not fish. Fish. So you are going to continue. You're first going to identify things that are fish or not fish and train the artificial intelligence to recognize what is a fish and not a fish. You may have to continue to do some training. There are 8 levels. There's 2 more videos to watch. It does take a pretty long time to get through it all, so if you don't have time to do all 8 levels of artificial intelligence, that's okay. When you send me a note or a photo in Seesaw, please let me know how far you got. What I found when I was doing it, even though it was taking a long time, it was fun. It was kind of neat to keep doing it. So even though I knew I needed to stop, I couldn't stop because I was having fun. I thought it was cool. So spend whatever time you have, see how many levels you can get through, and I hope you enjoy learning about artificial intelligence today.